If using Sage 50 Premium Accounting or higher, you can also create phases for your jobs. Phases are a way of defining the distinct parts of a job. For example, if you performed remodeling jobs, you may create phases for a remodel that includes permits and applications, planning, demolition, and remodeling. Using phases allows you to further refine the tracking of expenses and revenues for jobs into discrete phases of your choosing. Note that phases are not specific to a job and are available to all jobs you create in Sage 50. If using phases when assigning job costs, you simply assign expenses and revenues to a job, and then to a specific phase within the job. You will do this within the same Job field in the line items area of the Sales and Purchase forms in Sage 50. If you need to further refine the tracking of costs for jobs, you can also use cost codes, which will be discussed in a separate lesson. To create phases, select Maintain, then Job Costs, then Phases from the menu bar to open the Maintain Phases window. You would start by typing an ID for the phase into the Phase ID field. Enter a description of the phase into the Description field. Note that you can check the Inactive checkbox later to inactivate phases that you have created but no longer use if needed. Next, you select the type of cost to associate with the phase. If you have more than one type of cost associated with a phase, then consider either using cost codes to further refine costs or creating separate phases for each cost type. To select a cost type, you can choose the This phase uses the cost type dropdown to select the cost type associated with the phase. To use cost codes, select the This phase uses cost codes option button. You can create the cost codes within the Maintain Cost Codes window after creating the necessary phases. To save the phase that you have created, click the Save button in the toolbar at the top of the window.